There are many ways to use quick parts or auto text to help increase your efficiency when grading so you don't have to repeatedly write out the same comments. I'm going to show 3 quick ways to do this. Let's say you have a comment such as this one that you want to include for many students. Rather than writing the same comment over and over, you can highlight the comment, make sure you're on the Insert tab, go over to Quick Parts, scroll down to Auto Text, and save the selection to the Auto Text gallery. You're going to give it an abbreviated name, so the next time that you want the same comment to appear, you only have to type up a few letters. So I'm going to call it thesis. I've already done this before, so I have to redefine it. So the next time that I want to include this comment, all I need to do is start writing the word thesis, and you'll see the auto text pops up in a box. If I want to in fact include that, then I hit enter and it includes it. You can also do this as a combination of a form comment with an area to provide more specific feedback for students. So one example I have is when I feel like students are including their stance in their thesis statement but not their key elements of support, I type in stance. And then I have a form comment. Remember that your thesis statement should also preview your key points of support. What do you think of revising your thesis to read something like? And then I can individualize a comment here, give them an example of a thesis statement that shows both their stance and their key points of support. The final example I want to show you is you can actually not only give comments, but you can also provide extra resources. Here's an example of a sentence fragment. I mark grammatical errors through inserting comments. So if I insert a comment here, if I've already quick keyed this in as fragments. When I hit frag, you can I don't even have to finish the word. We see the little box that pops up with the auto comment I've already made. And what I can do is I can explain the error and give them an extra resource all in the same comment. Hope that helps give you a few ideas of how to use quick parts.